everyone. Today we'll learn 20 pet animals. Dog.
This is a dog.
Dogs are friendly and love to play fetch. Cat.
This is a cat.
Cats purr when they are happy. Rabbit.
This is a rabbit.
Rabbits hop and love to eat carrots. Hamster.
This is a hamster.
Hamsters are tiny and run in little wheels. Parrot.
This is a parrot.
Parrots can copy sounds and sometimes talk. Goldfish.
This is a goldfish.
Goldfish are bright orange and swim in tanks. Guinea pig.
This is a guinea pig.
Guinea pig squeak and love fresh veggies. Turtle.
This is a turtle.
Turtles carry their shells wherever they go. Badgie.
This is a badgie.
Badgies are colorful birds that love to sing. Ferret.
This is a ferret.
Ferrets are playful and love to explore. Horse.
This is a horse.
Some families keep horses for riding. Duck.
This is a duck.
Pet ducks like swimming in ponds. Goat.
This is a goat.
Some people keep goats as friendly farm pets. Pigeon.
This is a pigeon.
Pigeons can find their way home from far away. Canary.
This is a canary.
Canaries sing beautiful happy songs. Mouse.
This is a mouse.
Pet mice are small and quick. Chinchilla.
This is a chinchilla.
Chinchillas have super soft fur. Lizard.
This is a lizard.
Pet lizard like to sit under warm lights. Frog.
This is a frog.
Some frogs can be kept as fun hopping pets. Hermit crab.
This is a hermit crab.
It lives inside a shell and loves to crawl.